How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to turn off your active status on Instagram. Now, active status means a green dot icon next to your profile, so which indicates that you're actually online and active on Instagram. So if you want to hide this particular feature, and what you need to do is update the application. First of all, check your internet connection, log in into your Instagram account. After you're logged into your account, it's going to direct you to the home page. And on the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile icon, which is in the bottom right corner of your screen. It's going to direct you to the profile page, and over here go ahead and tap on the try bar icon, click on the settings button, and it's going to direct you to the activation page. So over here, go ahead and tap on privacy. Under privacy, scroll down right to the bottom, and right in between you have active status. So currently, as you can see, that my active status is enabled, and if you also go ahead and check your friends, you'll be able to see their active status right over here. If you see a green dot icon next to the profile of your users, it indicates that this particular contact are active. In order to turn it off, you'll need to go to your settings once again and click on privacy. Just go ahead and scroll down and go to active status. So toggle the switch for this particular option, and then you successfully turn off your active status. Now, along with your active status, you'll also not be able to see others. So in this way, you can turn off active status on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.